In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set vertical trim in Figma. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can get cleaner text alignment in your designs with just a couple of adjustments. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can see the text you'd like to refine. Once your file is open, click on the text layer you want to adjust. This tells Figma exactly which text should use the updated trimming behavior, and it makes the right controls available in the panel. With the text layer selected, look to the right-hand design panel. Under the typography section, you'll see a small settings icon. Click that to open Figma's detailed type settings. This is where Figma puts the more advanced controls that affect how your text behaves beyond the usual font, size, and weight. When the dialog opens, you'll be on the Basic tab, which is where we need to be. Next, locate the option labeled Vertical Trim. This setting controls how Figma calculates the vertical edges of your text's bounding box. By default, many fonts include extra space above and below characters to account for ascenders and descenders, which can make text look like it has uneven padding even when your spacing is technically correct. Change the vertical trim setting to cap height to baseline. The cap height represents the top of uppercase letters and the baseline is the line the characters sit on. By trimming to these 2 points, you are telling Figma to remove the invisible space above and below your text that often causes awkward gaps. You are not changing the font or the letters themselves. You are refining how the surrounding box is measured. Right away, you'll notice tighter, more consistent spacing. This helps eliminate those little misalignments that creep in when text feels like it's floating inside a button or sitting slightly off next to an icon. It also makes spacing in auto layout more predictable, because the measurements are based on the visible letter forms rather than invisible font metrics. If your design relies on precise alignment with icons, badges, or button backgrounds, this small change can make everything line up more accurately with less manual nudging. As a quick tip, consider using this setting consistently across similar text layers so your interface feels cohesive. It's especially helpful for UI components where vertical centering matters. And remember, vertical trim affects the bounding box, not the way the letters render. So your typography's visual character remains intact while the alignment becomes cleaner. That's it. Thanks for watching.